He loves a goal in this game, Scott Sinclair. Here he comes. Celtic appear ready to rub it in. Hyman. Armstrong releasing Griffiths. Sinclair waiting in the middle. Griffiths goes it alone, and that's why. Utterly ruthless, absolutely clinical. From big part player this season to big part player. A stunning hit.
Leigh Griffiths at his best. Just wondering about Fotheringham. Was he down low? Had he set himself for a low shot? This was in high into the net. I think you can see there Hyman giving the ball away to Armstrong. There's nothing on here. It's a shot from a tight angle. I think the keeper's at fault, Ian. I think he set himself so low. He doesn't expect this to be high. He doesn't jump higher. I think it's a goalkeeping error. It's a brilliant strike on target from Griffiths. But I think if Fotheringham is fit, I think if he's in top form, he saves that.
Tavernier charging in. Simunovic. And the challenge gets. Roberts. It's McGregor. Took his time, but got what he wanted. He scored against Rangers last weekend. He's just done it again. And the champions are putting on a show at the home of their fierce rival. Griffiths floats it in, and it's found a way in, and Dedryck Boyata is having that one. It is 4-0 to Celtic. It is humiliating for Rangers. Lustig, do Celtic fancy a fifth? Mikael Lustig certainly does. What a tiny finish. A pulsating performance from Celtic. They have well and truly put Rangers in their place.